So all of the companies has given written test firstly for the screening. Intel issued internship offer to 5 students for Bangalore location because MTech में generally students इसलिए join करते हैं so that they can grab internship offers or placement offers. So all 15 students chose for internship, and now apart from these companies, 3 more companies visited the campus, and those were ARM Technologies, Texas Instruments, and Microchip. Texas Instruments offered full-time offers to PED branch students. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be really special and helpful to the VLSI aspirants who are going to join in MTech VLSI course all over the India. Students को डाउट होता है कि उन्हें MTech VLSI कोर्स में ज्वाइन करना भी है नहीं, और लुकिंग ओवर द करंट मार्केट सिनेरियो दे आर नॉट रियली श्योर कि हमारी प्लेसमेंट्स होंगी अगर हमने MTech VLSI में ज्वाइन किया, और दे आर नॉट इवन श्योर अबाउट द इंटर्नशिप ऑफर्स फ्रॉम द वेरियस सेमीकंडक्टर कंपनीज. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the internship offers which are grabbed by the students of IIT Mandi, and in the near future we are also going to discuss about the internship opportunities and job placements of the various other institutions of India. But for today we are going to discuss about the internship offers along with the stipend offered by the companies. And let me tell you कि companies hire कर रही हैं, and current market scenario में भी companies are do hiring for the VLSI students. तो अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, बिकॉज इसके माध्यम से मैं आपको बहुत सारे अपडेट्स, फाइनेंशियल अपडेट्स और जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ जो करंट मार्केट में हैं वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. आई एम जशन जैन. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो डिस्कशन ओवर द इंटर्नशिप ऑफर्स ऑफ IIT Mandi. First of all, let me tell you that IIT Mandi's MTech course in VLSI is just for 1 year. Yes, that's really true. Because जो MTech VLSI है वो 2 parts में divided है. The very first part is first year, that is fully coursework, and in the second year you have options whether you want to pursue your MTech coursework or you want to go for the internship offers in the VLSI companies. ये बिल्कुल सही बात है क्योंकि IIT मंडी सेकेंड ईयर में ही कंपनीज को बुला लेता है टू गेट देयर स्टूडेंट्स प्लेस्ड फॉर इंटर्नशिप्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट वो स्टूडेंट्स अपना PPO ऑफर ग्रैब करके कंपनी में फुली प्लेस हो सकते हैं. सो दिस इज वेरी मच रेयर इन द टायर 1 इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑल ओवर द इंडिया, बट IIT मंडी का ये करिकुलम बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल है फॉर द MTech VLSI स्टूडेंट्स, एंड जिनका आफ्टर BTech काफी गैप ईयर रहता है तो दे कैन डेफिनेटली ज्वाइन MTech कोर्स इन VLSI इन IIT मंडी, बिकॉज उसके बाद जो आपके गैप ईयर्स हैं वो हाइड हो सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट परस्यू योर MTech course for just 1 year, and after that you can apply for internships in the VLSI companies, and as well as companies are visiting IIT Mandi campus to get students placed. But yes, let me tell you that कि आपको internship के दौरान you have to perform really well, because the companies like STM, Intel, NXP, they don't give PPOs just like easy, so you have to perform really well, and even during your internship course you also have to perform your MTech thesis as well. आपको आपके गाइड या मेंटोर से एक प्रोजेक्ट वर्क भी मिलेगा तो वो आपको साइमल्टेनियसली परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. सो इट मीन्स कि आपको जो आपके गाइड की तरफ से प्रोजेक्ट वर्क मिला है उसके लिए MTech थीसिस प्रिपेयर करना, एंड इंटर्नशिप का जो प्रोजेक्ट वर्क है वो भी आपको साथ साथ कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज द करिकुलम ऑफ IIT Mandi's MTech VLSI, that is it is divided into 2 years, first year and second year, and in the second year itself you can go for the internships and then ultimately grab PPOs. Now you know that today's market situation is that it is under recession, and this is globally contagious, and due to this various IT companies are just laying off their staff, and we have seen that even Intel company has also laid off multiple employees. But still in this scenario IIT Mandi ने काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, and the students who are going to pass out in the year 2024 they have already got internship offers from the various top-notch VLSI companies. So the companies which have visited the campus, those are STM, NXP, Intel, MediaTek and Marvell Semiconductors. And if we talk about the locations, they have offered 2 locations, and those are Bangalore and Noida. So without wasting any time, let's look over the internship offer of MTech 2K24 passing out batch. So total 18 students were part of the MTech VLSI course of IIT Mandi, which they have joined in the year 2022. Out of these 18 students, 3 of students left the MTech course in between and joined various PSUs after writing the GATE exam. As you know, PSUs give their appointment letters very late. So some students who don't want to pursue their MTech, they left in between and joined those PSUs. For these kind of students who left their MTech course in between and go for other opportunities, तो इनके लिए भी IITs में बहुत ही अच्छा ऑप्शन रहता है. जस्ट लाइक इन IIT मंडी, अगर आप अपना MTech कोर्स बीच में छोड़ते हैं, even then you can complete your MTech course in the future, but you have to complete your leftover course within 4 years. So by this IIT मंडी give you an opportunity to complete your MTech course in the future. अगर आपने बाई चांस किसी भी वजह से ड्यू टू एनी फाइनेंशियल रीजन और फैमिली रीजन or any other opportunity you want to grab, अगर आप छोड़ते हैं then you can complete your coursework in the future. Now after 3 students who left for PSUs, we are having 15 students, and those students pursued their MTech first year in the IIT Mandi itself. Now in the second year they have options whether they want to go for internship offers or they want to stay in the campus and go for MTech thesis under their guide. Now all 15 students chose the option to go for internships because MTech में generally students इसलिए join करते हैं so that they can grab internship offers or placement offers. So all 15 students chose for internship and all of them get placed. Now to fulfill the internship requirement of these students, various companies visited the campus as I have already told. We will firstly see which companies and how many students offered by that company. Later on we will see the stipend amount which they have been offered by the company. So Intel and NXP offered grabbed maximum number of students. Intel issued internship offer to 5 students for Bangalore location. In my previous video I have discussed about the financial results of Intel. You can check over this label. And Intel lost its revenue in the last year, but still it is going to hire maximum number of employees in the current scenario as well. Now if you talk about the company NXP, this company offered 1-year internship to 6 students, and this is the highest number among all the companies which have visited IIT Mandi. Out of these, 5 students got internship for Noida location, and since one of the students were from south side, so that one got internship offer for Bangalore location. So this shows that the companies do care about your home location as well. They don't want to make your life difficult and harsh. Now let me tell about the company NXP in short. So NXP, which is headquartered in Netherlands, and it has got their annual revenue of 13.2 billion US dollars, and which was an increment from the previous year 2021 that was 11.06 billion US dollars. For your knowledge, you must have heard about the technology NFC, which is near field communication. So this technology was co-invented by the NXP and along with Sony. सो आपने देखा होगा कि 2 मोबाइल फोन्स को अगर हम अटैच करते हैं, those are for Sony mobiles, तो just like Bluetooth we can share any files, any data from each other. And also NXP was supposed to be acquired by the Qualcomm company, but this deal was failed due to failure acquisition. Now next company which visited the campus was STM. STM offered 2 students for the internship and those for Noida location. Now if we talk about the STM, STM is the largest European semiconductor contractual manufacturing and design company. It is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. So if we talk about the annual revenue of STM, so they have generated an annual revenue of 16.1 billion, which was much higher than the year 2021. Now let's move on to the next company which offered 1 student for the internship, and it was Marvell Semiconductors. So it offered internship opportunity for Bangalore location. So Marvell Semiconductor is a US based company and it is headquartered in California. So this company has generated an annual revenue of 4.46 billion US dollars, and which is also higher than the year 2021, and it was just 2.97 billion US dollars. Marvell had supplied Wi-Fi chips to first gen iPhones, and it also supplies custom SoCs to the product based companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, etc. So we have seen that 14 students out of 15 students have been placed in the companies like STM, Intel, NXP, Marvells. So left 1 student got internship offer for MediaTek, and this offer is for 6 months internship opportunity for Bangalore location. So what would happen to the other 6 months of the second year? So इसके लिए IIT मंडी में provision है कि you can pursue your other 6 months for the internship in other companies, and you can go for on campus or off campus. And other option is you can pursue your MTech thesis work in the campus itself under your guide. So इसमें ये है कि आप अपने second year को utilize कर सकते हैं internship में भी and MTech thesis work में भी. So both of these you can do in the second year itself. This is also really good because some students want to explore the semiconductor industry, but they have their interest to pursue PhD in the future. So they can do this by getting 6 month internship offer from the company, and other 6 months they can do their project work in the campus. Now if we talk about MediaTek, MediaTek is a Taiwan based fabless company which provides wireless communication chips and the chips for smartphones, HD televisions and navigation systems, etc. MediaTek became the biggest smartphone chipset vendor with 31% market share in third quarter of 2020. It has generated an annual revenue of 16 billion US dollars in the year 2021. So with this, we have covered all the 15 students who have got internship offer from the various companies. Now, apart from these companies, 3 more companies visited the campus, and those were ARM Technologies, Texas Instruments, and Microchip. Texas Instruments offered full-time offers to PED branch students, and those were for digital profile. And PED branch is power electronics and drives, but no VLSI students got any offer from Texas Instruments. And other two companies, those are ARM and Microchip, they didn't get any student because all of the students were already placed. So these two companies had to go back empty hands. This is because according to IIT Mandi's rule, you can grab only one opportunity and you have to opt that opportunity which you were given the firstly. So if you have got two offers, you must have to join the very first offer you have got from the company. But we have left over one thing, that is stipend amount, which was offered by these companies. So they have offered a really huge amount for the stipend. Intel offered an amount of rupees 45,000 during internship. NXP also offered the same amount, that is rupees 45,000. And if we talk about STM also offered the same amount, that is rupees 45,000 during the internship. Now if we talk about Marvell Semiconductors, this is the only company which offered a little higher amount, and it was 54,000. So we see that all of the internship offers were in the range of 50s, and if the internship offers are of this much amount, then you can guess their CTC package which they will get when they get PPO offers. So due to these high amount of placement packages, students are willing to join VLSI courses in various institutions. If we talk about the criteria on which basis the companies have recruited, so all of the companies has given written test firstly for the screening, and after screening they arranged interview sessions for the final recruitment. But Intel was the only company which didn't give any written test. They just arranged interview sessions for all the students and gave 5 student offers. And they have secured good positions in the VLSI companies, and hopefully they will also get PPO offers from all of these companies. So thank you so much for looking over this video. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. Thank you.